So you did not grow up where business or entrepreneurship was like part of the language. So how difficult has been, how challenging it has been to shift the mindset. So you mentioned about sales. Sales is one thing, but there are so many things dealing with risks, dealing with uncertainty, which an entrepreneur has to face on a daily basis, which you don't face either in a stable environment or even in a technology job. I think things can be very structured and predictable. How has that journey been for you? What challenges has it present?
Well, I think one thing I've realized is that cash is king. The moment cash disappears, the company will cease to exist. So first, my number one priority is to make sure that there is enough cash in the company to keep us liquid for at least the next 3 quarters. That is the number one priority. Number two, both me and my wife, we've decided that every single decision that we take in our company will have a three-pronged approach. That decision will be a yes or a no, depending upon how well it improves the company's top line, how well it improves the company's bottom line, and does it impact the company's reputation in a positive way or a negative way. So we're very conscious about how we are managing the finances in the organization. From a sales point of view, I've realized that a small customer and a large customer, they'll take the same amount of time. They demand the same kind of attention. So I've decided to focus on some very large, customers from whom we keep getting big projects.